Hi, and welcome to JCMS.NET Video Help. Today we're going to cover dashboards, and in particular, distribution. In order to get to distribution, please make sure that the taskbar is open, click on Dashboard, and then click on Distribution. The distribution report is a report on the breakdown of the amount of monies collected. The amount of monies collected is broken down to the general ledger as well as the generic assessments. Let's go ahead and take a look at a couple of years' worth of information. All right. So what we're looking at here is the distribution of all the payments that occurred between October 1st, 2012 and December 31st, 2013. Now this is a random date, but the idea is to give you an example of how the breakdown looks. The total amount of payments that were taken in is $103,000 in both cases. When you look at the assessments, they are broken down, fine, court costs, miscellaneous, etc., and then in the general ledger accounts as well. On the bottom, you'll see visualizations. You get a better idea to see how things are broken up. If you wish to review this report, you certainly can. Just click on the report button and you'll get the report. Again, the first page is for the general ledger. Second page is for the generic assessments. We'll close that. There's one additional form of information that's available, and that's the distribution by payment type. If you wanted to see how the categories were broken down by payment type for general ledger and generic assessments, then this is where you would come to view this information. Okay. And again, you can export this information as well, and if you do the report is shown once again by payment type. Okay. There you go. All right. This data can be exported. Simply click on the export button, it'll prompt you, and it'll be for an Excel file format. So I'll just go ahead and put it in my temp directory, the distribution date and range, and then I will save it. And now that data is available in an Excel format. So let's go ahead and grab it real quick. Let's go to my temp directory, type, and let's see. There it is. There is my data. So the date range broken down by general ledger, generic assessment, by payment type for general ledger, by payment type for generic assessment, and then there's two additional pieces of information. And this is now down at the ticket level for GL and at the ticket level for the generic assessment. There we go. Let's go back to where we were. Thank you for using JCMS Video Help.